Why?
Get Almond to come over on like Saturday or something.
Okay. Unless her brother gets sick again.
Skype.
What?
Make sure you have a password for Skype.
Okay.
What? I know your brother's gay.
Oh my god.
I know the thing. Maybe we shouldn't have let her in. Hey, your mom made you.
Oh my god.
You gotta do funky pants. Nobody cares. Shut up. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. That's not what I heard.
So what did you hear?
You don't want to know. That's because you are. Bud. I like Bud. There we are.
What?
And they're about to get. I want brownies.
You don't get none.
Too bad.
Too bad, so sad.
I'm gonna get Cora to make some more, and then I'm gonna eat them all.
Serena, guess what?
That's it.
No, guess what? Serena, guess what?
I'm talking to Serena. What?
Guess what?
What? Oh, they're going on it pretty hard. You might want to get off the phone. They're going pretty hard. Really? It's a what?
Guess.
It's a what?
Guess.
You said guess what? You said I said what? And I said what?
Well, guess.
I don't know what to guess. I don't know what to guess. Shut up. Shut up. I can't get all my budget. That's taken over. Kenzie!
Just guess.
No!
Just guess.
Okay. Okay. Ready? No! Taylor! I like Serena. You look like her head. Don't think it was yummy. Okay, go back to your sorting. Please, I would like. Ready? You know she's first too, so it doesn't really matter if you first. You know I'm in grade 7, right? Yeah. I'll swear wherever I can.
Serena,
Ready? What?
go on the video I just made.
What?
I'm gonna write something. Wait. I'm gonna
What
tell
are
you.
gonna write?
I'm gonna tell you.
I know what they're gonna write.
Just wait till I write it.
What?
Just wait till I write it.
Okay. Are you watching the video? No. Yes, you are. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. I'll throw this stuff on. No. It's hers.
Okay, Serena, go check it now. Serena,
Okay, what?
go check it now. Go check the comment I just made.
I can't.
Well, do it.
On my iPod. No, I need it. Tell me to do it on this. No, do the iPod. Give me my iPod. Give me my iPod. Give me my iPod. It's Pokemon. Okay, unplug it, please. Oh, thank you. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it.
Yeah, better.
Let's check it. Get it.
Better.
Very good. Good check.
Did you check it?
1 minute. I'm checking. Really?
Yup.
Seriously?
Yeah. In fact, they just heard what you just said. Yes. Say hello. Say hello, don't be rude.